time for today's Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Schwerer in Springfield. Today we're joined by attorney Don McDonald, and we're talking about child support. How does the court determine child support?
The court determines child support by applying the facts of the case to the Massachusetts Child Support Guidelines. And the court will presume that an application of the guidelines results in the appropriate amount of support.
Is it possible for the support to differ from the actual guidelines?
It can differ from the guidelines in certain circumstances, but the facts of the case have to warrant a deviation. And if the court does find a deviation, they have to make specific findings and put that in the order of support. But always the court is looking at the best interest of the children.
Now, what if both parties agree on the same outcome and it does differ from the guidelines?
They can do that, and in many cases the court will allow it, but they may not allow it if it results in an inappropriate or unjust amount of support. And again, they're always looking at the best interest of the children. So if that amount is, if the court feels that amount is not in the best interest of the children, they won't allow an agreement.
And now there was also an amendment that took place in August. Tell us about that.
Yes, last August the child support guidelines were amended. So if you have an order that predates the amendment, it might be appropriate for you to seek a modification.
And as always, always consult a lawyer for any situation that involves child support.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Attorney McDonald. Wonderful to have you here. And for more information, you can call 413-781-0750. You can also visit them online, cooleyschwerer.com.